In this video, we are going to talk about formatting text in Microsoft Word. Formatting simply means changing the appearance of your text to make it clearer and more professional. In Microsoft Word, there are multiple types of formatting we can apply to a given text, such as font styles, font colors, font sizes, and also clearing formats. Before we begin, go ahead and type a short sentence in your Word document. For example, the quick orange cat jumps over the lazy dog. Now, the first thing you need to know is that before you apply any formatting, you must select or highlight your text. To do this, click at the beginning of your sentence, hold your mouse button and drag across the text. Once your text is highlighted, we can start formatting. Let's begin with bold. At the top of your screen, in the toolbar, you'll see a B icon. Click on it. You'll notice your text becomes darker and more visible. Bold is useful when you want to emphasize important words, headings, or key points. Next, let's look at italics. Click on the eye icon and your text will tilt slightly. Italics are often used for emphasis, titles, or specific terms. You can also underline your text by clicking on the U icon. This draws a line under your words, which can help highlight important information. Let's move on to font size. At the top, you'll see a number. Usually it's something like 11. This represents the size of your text. Click on the drop-down arrow and choose a bigger number like 16 or 18 or something much more. Notice how your text becomes larger. This is useful for headings or when you want your content to be easier to read. Let us now look at how to change the font color of your text. Font colors have wide use in real life when using Microsoft Word, be it highlighting the main points of the document or want to convey some important information. Highlight the text you want to change the font color. Now select the font color of your choice from the font color bar under the home menu bar. Let's look at font style. You will see a font name like Calibri at the top. Click on it and a list of different styles will appear. You can choose fonts like Arial or others. Each font gives your document a different look and feel. For beginners, it's best to stick with simple, clear fonts. Let's talk about text alignment. By default, your text is aligned to the left, but you can change this. With your text still selected, look for the alignment buttons. That is align left, center, align right, and justify. Click on center and your text will move to the middle of the page. This is often used for titles. You can also try to align right to move your text to the right side, and so much more. Another useful tool is line spacing. Line spacing controls the space between lines of text. To adjust it, look for the line spacing icon in the toolbar. Click on it and choose options like 1.5 or 2.0 or another option. This makes your document less crowded and easier to read, especially for assignments or reports. You may be asking yourself, now that I know how to apply all these formats, how do I clear the formats? Don't worry, because Microsoft Word provides a feature to clear the pre-formatted text. The best way to use this feature is when we copy some text or information from somewhere and it has come with formatting applied already. So to remove it and use it according to our need in our Word document, we have to clear the formatting. First off, select the text you want to clear the formatting. Now, select the Clear All Formatting bar under the Home menu bar. And that's it. Finally, remember this important tip. Formatting should not be overused. Using too many styles at once can make your document look messy. Always aim for a clean and simple look. Take some time to practice. Try bold, italics, and underline. Change the font size, text, color, and font style. Adjust alignment and spacing. The more you practice, the more comfortable you become.
Yay!